So I'm excited to do a project with Plasti craft spray paint today. It's like a rubberized coating, and I'm making the cutest picnic set. So I've taken my painter's tape and I've covered flatware and glasses that I picked up at a thrift store. It's all vintage, and the Plasti spray paint is gonna give it a really cute blue color to unify the whole set and make it a little bit easier to transport, less like clinging around because that nice rubber coating. So for this project, I'm using Plasti craft spray paint, and it's a rubber coating that you can add to pretty much any object, and it's really nice because you can peel it off, so it's really mistake proof, easy to repair. You can replace it with a new color when you're ready, but this is the Gulf Blue, which is going to be really cute on my picnic set.